Who's got the most injured part of their body with something going on with their body?
I got a back issue. It hasn't been bothering me lately.
Okay. And where was it hurting?
It kind of like shot down the whole leg.
Shut down your leg a little bit? Did it feel like it was going to give out a little bit, like a sciatica, or?
Yeah.
And was it the left or the right side?
My left side.
Okay. You want to come up here and do a little demonstration? If you want to see where someone's body's doing, here's a test. So I want you to march in place like this for me, face me, and I want you to close your eyes for 1 minute. And if you peek, it just ruins the whole thing. So you got to. You're doing great.
You said a minute?
Yeah. I got you, man. You're doing great. No peeking, man.
And eyes are closed.
Yeah.
The longest minute of my life.
Well, come on, man. Give me 15 more seconds. Anybody can do 15 seconds, right? Okay, you can stop right there and open your eyes. So you know you started back there, right?
Yeah.
So you know what that means when you're marching directly forward? That your hips are tight. It means you're walking, I'm going to over-exaggerate, right? It means you're walking like this. So when you're going to go tackle somebody or run down the field and you're going like this inside your body, you're not going to get too much power, right? But if your butt's back a little bit and you're driving forward, you're going to get a lot of power. And then when he was marching, his feet started getting close together. That means the adductors on the inside of the thighs, they're tight, and their job is to pull the muscles together. It controls your balance and your alignment. So you're trying to do a fast movement, and you're out of balance, and you're out of alignment, and you're figuring out why. Well, because you have tight muscles. So could I work on you for about 2 or 3 minutes and show you? Okay, lay on your left side. If the coach's permission, I team you guys up and teach you how to work on each other so you don't need me all the time. So I'm going to go right here, and I put my elbow right here, right below that, and there's supposed to be like a little cavity. There's supposed to be like a little dip in there, and there's no dip. There's a little bump right there. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So that little bump right there is causing his hips to be stuck forward. And so putting this pressure in there, and I'm rocking it around a little bit and pulsing on it a little bit, and now I feel it going all the way down his leg, going down his IT band. So it's like super tight. So if your hips can't go forward and back, and you have to make split-second decisions, and your body you're telling your body to do it, but your body's not doing it, it's not your fault. It's you have tight muscles.